Hi there, students. Swinging. Swinging. Okay, swinging is an adjective. There is the verb swinge as well, but to swinge is very unusual, rather literary. Okay, swinging. Severe, extreme, serious, drastic. So we are going to have to make swinging cuts in our budget. Otherwise, we are going bankrupt. Very serious, very large, very strong. Swinging cuts is a very, very common collocation. The government is going to have to make swinging cuts in its spending and swinging tax increases at the same time. So swinging, very high, very large, very severe. A swinging cut, a swinging attack, is very intense. It's got a great intensity. It hurts a lot, perhaps. This word is perhaps a journalistic word as well, something you might find in the newspapers. Swinging increases, swinging cuts, swinging criticism. Huge, immense, very large and difficult to deal with. Yes, homeowners are now facing swinging increases in their mortgages. The courts have been issuing swinging fines for this type of behaviour. There are swinging penalties for non-compliance. Okay, severe, punishingly bad. The judge awarded swinging damages to the plaintiff. So something that's swinging, it's very forceful, it's very strong, it's very severe, but in a negative way normally. Okay, so something that's swinging, it's extreme in its effect, it's drastic. Swinging cuts, very severe reductions, swinging reductions in something. Okay, so swinging, it's something that's very, very intense. Notice normally this is spelt with an E, because if you take out the E, you have swinging. And that's a very different thing. But swinging, whopping, thumping, enormous, very strong, very intense. His speech started with a swinging attack on the local councillors. Universities face swinging cuts in their funding. A swinging clampdown on illegal parking. The penalties were so swinging as to be ruinous. They would ruin you. Swinging repression carried out against people who disagree with the regime. Okay, so notice swinging, enormous, huge, immense, heavy, hulking, mighty, strong. Okay, it's got this idea of something that's very severe. Swinging fines, swinging taxes, a swinging attack, swinging criticism. Yeah, but notice this word is very British. I'm not sure the Americans are going to understand this one. But swinging, it's a British word. It's been around a long time. So let's see, swinging, a swinging attack, formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 6.5 in formality. Use it informally, just about. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then, okay, yes, we have As I was saying earlier, there's this verb to swinge, meaning um, to beat or to punish or to flog, but it's very old-fashioned to beat someone. But swinge, no. And that's really where swinging comes from. Comes from Middle English swengen, to strike, to hit. Old English swengen, to strike. It's related to the word swing. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Swinging.